Fire District MAKO Breath Air Center, ROG. Connection and fill procedure. In accordance with the policy for cascade refill on 1418, when cylinder 4 reaches 4,000 psi, this process should take approximately an hour and a half to 2 hours to fill the system. Step 1. Before beginning the cascade filling process, ensure that 1418's bay door is open and the pedestrian door is fully open. 2. Ensure no vehicles are currently running in or around the building, nor have been for at least 30 minutes prior to filling. 3. Remove access panel to inspect compressor oil level prior to use. Sight glass should show half full. If not at level, contact your shift commander. If oil level is correct, replace panels. At the rear of the unit, fully open all 3 compressor bottles, allowing them to equalize. Attach blue system fill hose to auxiliary outlet at main panel, ensuring bleeder and fill valves on both ends are closed. Attach the other end of the system fill hose to the inlet on 1418, ensuring bleeder and fill valves are closed. Seven. Open all 3 compressor fill valves on the main panel completely. On the compressor, set main regulator pressure indicated by the outlet pressure gauge. Outlet pressure gauge should be set to 5,200 psi. Nine. Open all 5 valves on 1418 bottles to allow the pressures to equalize. Equalization is complete when all 5 bottles read the same PSI. Open main inlet valve on 1418 and the blue fill hose, which should be pressurized. Slowly open the auxiliary outlet valve on the compressor control panel. You should be able to hear air equalizing between the compressor bottles and the cascade system. After the 2 systems have equalized, turn the power on to the compressor system with the square white button. 13. When the cascade bottles and compressor bottles are full, 5,200 psi, the system will shut itself off. Shutdown and disconnect procedures. 14. Close all 5 bottles on 14, 18, and the inlet valve. Close auxiliary outlet valve, 3 fill valves, and all 3 bottles on the compressor unit. Open bleeder valve on blue fill hose at the compressor. 16. Open bleeder valve on blue fill hose at the compressor side. 17. Once hose has been bled down, disconnect hose from both compressor and truck. 18. Finally, coil hose and return to top of compressor.